Hi, I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Today, as you can tell from the title of the video, I have some new goodies to share with you. I have a new handbag, I have my new holiday Dior Menage set, and I have some gorgeous silk pieces to share with you today as well. I did a poll on my Instagram about my new bag, and I asked if you wanted an instant unboxing on Instagram or a good old-fashioned YouTube video, and YouTube won by far, which shocked me. I figured you guys would want instant gratification. I did go ahead and unbox that one on YouTube instantly, but I'm going to share it with you a little bit more close up because I did it at nighttime and the lighting wasn't super fabulous. And so the first thing I want to share with you is this gorgeous silk blouse that I'm wearing, and this is from the company Mame Silk. And Mame Silk is, I want to make sure I get this right, is a factory-based company with no middleman. So they can provide you with luxurious silk products without the high cost. I love my silk products. I love wearing silk. I love silk pillowcases, silk scrunchies. I love silk. It is so wonderful and good for your skin. So I am going to insert some mod shots of me wearing this and some close-ups so you can see the beautiful sheen on this blouse. And I just want to share with you, in case it doesn't show up in the mod shots because of my hair, I want to share with you the pretty collar there at the top. And I do just have on my Cartier Love necklace today and Bulgari ring. So you guys are usually going to ask me that most of the time. So I am going to put in some of those close-ups right now. So look at how beautiful this blouse is. I absolutely love it. It is such high quality. I love the French sleeves, the French cuffs. They're so beautiful. And they have an extremely generous return policy up to 100 days. And I want to share with you the pajamas that they sent to me. I love sleeping in silk pajamas, and I absolutely love this pair. I went with the black silk. Look at the beautiful sheen. I love this white piping. The beautiful collar here is just gorgeous. The white buttons, the little placket pocket here, chest pocket, and then you've got the piping detail here. And my favorite thing, there are pockets. I love pockets on the pajamas, and you even have that gorgeous piping detail down at the bottom. I am 5'6". I have plenty of room, and these are in a size medium. Oh, I just love these. So I want to share with you the pillowcases that they sent me. I got the size king. There are 2 of them. I will share a picture on our bed. Our bedding is black and white, which is why I went with the black. I love sleeping on silk. Look at how beautiful the sheen is on these. It's so beautiful. These are 22 Mame, which is a heavyweight, luxurious thickness. It's what you want when you're sleeping on silk. And silk is fabulous. If you have sensitive skin like I do and eczema, silk is going to be really good for your skin. It is so good for your face to not wake up with lines or marks from your pillowcase. It's also really good for your hair. You wake up and your hair is a lot more intact than when you sleep on cotton. Cotton is very drying because it is very moisture absorbent, and silk is not. Silk is also naturally hypoallergenic. So I really recommend sleeping on silk pillowcases, and I will link all of this for you down below, and I will let you know what I got, and I will also be sharing a discount code with you, so be sure you check out Mame Silk. Okay, so now let's get into the Dior. I am actually going to turn the camera around and unbox it that way so that you can really see what's in it up close. Okay, so you can see it came in this beautiful Dior box, which is the same box like the handbags come in, and then they have this beautiful holiday ribbon on it. So let's just remove that. Okay, take the lid off. And of course, like I said, I already did this on Instagram, so same beautiful Dior tissue paper here. And I did use a code where I got a few free items. The first thing I got is this Dior cosmetic pouch in the pink. And at the inside of this has little stars and this wipeable lining. Super cute. And then I got the Dior set. You just pull this out, and there is a lotion and a perfume. So a good size sample there. So I'm just kind of setting everything over here to the side. This is adorable. This is a little ornament, and it says Christian Dior all over that, and the glitter. So cute. And then you pull this little tab here, and inside you have, it's not easy to get out here, a Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet fragrance. And there is also, just Miss Dior tells about it. It's eau de toilette. Super cute. And then also got this little Dior pouch. And in here there are two samples, Dior J'adore and Sauvage, I don't know, for men. So I'm going to see if my husband likes that. And, oh, the J'adore one fell out in there. And then there is another perfume of J'adore, probably the same size, I would guess, as the other one. So there is that. Super cute. And then here we go to the Menage. So let me move this out of the way. Well, scoot it all over there. Okay. So this, you just pull it open. And let me move my camera a little bit here. And you can see it just says CD on there, and I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be like what the Maison looks like. Ah, there I am. It's very, very shiny. Let me scoot over here a little bit and see if I can get my camera back a little bit more. So pull this out and show it to you. So there it is, and it just opens up right here. And I did not put them back in correctly. There are 3 lipsticks in there. And there we go. There we go. And then on this one here, this just twists. And here you have a lipstick in here, which is, oh, there you go. I'm pulling on the plastic, not on the lipstick. So this one here just has the CD. You open it up, it also has the same decor there like the top of the Menage, and you have a beautiful red. And this color is Rouge Dior 862. Beautiful color. Let's see what the other ones are. So let's pull this one out. This one is 858. I meant to bring my little glasses in here. I did not. And there's a very beautiful color there. And I actually found out about this set from my beautiful friend Mari. Her channel is Snow7777, I believe. I will link her down below. She has a fabulous video doing mod shots of this and showing what fits in it. So check her out, because I'm not going to do that today just for time purposes. And this one's a really pretty coral color. This one is 466. And then the last one here is 873. And this one is like, oh, isn't that pretty for holiday? Oh, that's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. So this does pull out right here. And this is just a little foam piece. And then there is a mirror here. And then so you can fit things in here. And like I said, she has a fabulous video showing that. And I will link her this also pulls up or down, pulls down, and this comes off. So I don't know if you guys have seen, there is a lot of different fashion houses that are doing these lipstick cases, and this is the little velvet dust bag to keep your little bag inside of, and then in here is your chain. But a lot of fashion houses are doing these little lipstick cases. I've seen Louis Vuitton and I've seen Chanel both do these little lipstick cases. Let's see if this works. As little mini hang-ons to their bags, little accessories. Yeah, that does work. And this is such a better price than theirs. And look how cute that is. And then the top there just says CD on it, and there I am again. It's very shiny. It's like, there I am. And let me show it to you together with the chain on. So again, this just slides up. It takes me a minute. I haven't had this very long. I've only played with it the night that I opened it. And okay, this just hooks onto this side. And I think you could use this chain if you had the Chanel Christmas set from last year. I have those little pouches, and a lot of people were making those into little bags. And I might try this chain with that and just see how that works out. But there it is. And just for reference, here is my hand, the size of my hand. So it is very petite. Very beautiful. And then to change out the lipstick, hopefully I can do this. I have not tried this before. Okay. That pulls up. Then we'll just take a random one here. You pull that off of this bottom piece here. Push it down into here. And voila. And what Mari, oh no, wrong one. What Mari showed with hers, which I thought was really cool, is if you're going to use this as a little bag, this fits quite a bit in here. And then of course you've got your lipstick over here, so you don't have to try to fit that, although it does. That fits in there just fine. Just to kind of show you here. But she does mod shots with hers too. But it just, you have your lipstick here, that there. So really, really excited about that one. It's so cute. So I just put on the lightest color. I think it was 486. I really like it. It feels good. So let's get into the bag now. And I will not make this a very long unboxing. So as I said, it is from Saint Laurent. It came in this beautiful dust bag. And I love this color. I love this bag. So there was one of the coverings, because I already have taken this all apart. And it is the Saint Laurent medium college bag, and the color is called Brick. It does not look like brick to me. That is not what I would consider brick to be. I saw this color online in suede. The suede, there's one suede version that's called Brick and another one that's called Cinnamon, and they looked very, very similar. Gorgeous, and I came very close to getting one of those, and then I found the leather version. I'm still thinking about something in suede, but I thought leather would probably hold up a little bit better since this is a crossbody bag. So let's get all of this wrapping off. Came wrapped absolutely beautiful. I have not had a lot of luck with YSL. If you have followed my channel, I've had some unboxings gone wrong. This one went way right. I was had my hopes not very high, but this is an absolutely stunning, stunning bag. And I have looked at this one forever online, but I had never had it in person. It comes with this long, non-adjustable chain crossbody strap, and it just says Saint Laurent Paris on there. I highly doubt that will show up. It might, but there we go, maybe. And it's very, very comfortable. I still have the plastic on it. Let's take the tissue out here. And the tissue is in there. Just take it out. So the inside of the bag, you have a large compartment here in the front and then a smaller slit in the back. And I doubt that that's going to show, but in the very back here, there is a little tiny compartment that really is big enough for some credit cards. And that is where it says down below, not here, but it says down there. Again, it says Saint Laurent Paris. There we go. And that piece is leather. The rest of the inside of this is fabric lining. There is a zippered center portion here. And that's where the little Saint Laurent card was at, which is still where it is at. And then the back has a slit compartment here that is big enough to fit a foam. So let me put the strap on it and show it to you first. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my goodness. This is going to be like truly a year-round color. I bought it thinking specifically fall, but I can see this going with a lot of my summer clothes. It is a really, really nice neutral brown and a very nice warm shade. So these just have kind of like little dog clips. When I used to have my Lola, it just clips on either side here. And it's nice that you can remove it because this is not a huge bag. So if you wanted to just carry it top handle for the evening, you very easily could. And of course, here it is with the strap. And I am not going to do mod shots or what fits today. I'm going to wear this bag for a couple of weeks and I am going to do a first impressions, mod shots, what fits, all of that, and let you know how I feel about it. It is definitely mine. I am long past the return date. It's taken me a long time to get this video up and I'm thrilled with it. It is actually in lambskin leather. Show it to you up close. It does not look like lambskin leather to me. It is very textured. It feels extremely durable. There's the bottom of the bag. No feet or anything like that. But again, it has this really nice texture to it. And usually lambskin feels really soft and supple. And this feels kind of more like their pebbled leather, but not quite that same amount of grain. But there it is. It's absolutely stunning. I'm so excited to have this. There's so many YSL bags that I have my eye on right now. And I'm like, what happened to Purse Peace? I thought I was there. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't exist, right? Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have an amazing day. I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.